The ARB Earth Camper, crafted by ARB with almost 5 decades of expertise in the four-wheel drive industry, is a versatile and well-equipped off-road camper trailer. Designed for all terrains, it boasts a spacious interior, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable sleeping area. The camper can be configured in an overnight mode or expanded to include a larger living space with an awning and windbreaks. Ideal for those seeking to experience the great outdoors in comfort, the ARB Earth Camper supports a nomadic lifestyle. Priced at $74,500 Australian dollars, approximately 50,000 United States dollars, it offers a robust and luxurious option for adventurous travelers. The ARB Esperance Rooftop Tent is an excellent choice for overlanders and campers looking for a blend of comfort and convenience. Designed for quick setup and ease of use, it features a low-profile gas strut-assisted opening and an internal telescopic ladder. The tent includes a comfortable 40mm thick mattress and offers a maximum headroom of 1,200 millimeters, accommodating 2 adults and a child. Additional features include a sunroof for stargazing, cargo and shoe pockets for storage, and built-in light-emitting diode lighting with universal serial bus charging ports. ARB also provides an optional Esperance annex for an expanded living area. The price of the ARB Esperance Rooftop Tent ranges from $3,600 to $4,300 United States dollars, depending on the retailer. The Alpcour portable sink is a freestanding, all-in-one hand washing station that offers running water without needing plumbing. Perfect for camping, boating, outdoor gatherings, or any location lacking sink access. It features a 5-gallon water basin, a foot pump for dispensing water, a refillable soap dispenser, a built-in towel rack, and a drain hose. Constructed from eco-friendly, high-density polyethylene plastic, the sink is durable, safe, and easy to clean. Its lightweight and compact design make it simple to store and transport. Priced at $39, the Alpcour portable sink is an affordable and practical solution for on-the-go hand-washing needs. The Alpcour portable toilet is a self-contained sanitation system suitable for use anywhere, anytime. Ideal for camping, boating, fishing, and road trips, it features a built-in piston pump flusher and a 10-liter water tank, larger than most portable toilets on the market. For easy cleaning, the toilet includes a 360-degree sprayer that keeps the bowl spotless. Made from durable, heavy-duty material, it naturally minimizes odors and resists rust and corrosion. Priced around $149, the Alpcour portable toilet offers a practical and hygienic solution for on-the-go sanitation needs. The AroundFire table is a surprisingly lightweight, portable grill table that packs down to the size of a carry-on suitcase, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. Its versatility allows it to be used with charcoal, wood, or gas camp stoves, adapting to various cooking preferences. The table typically starts at $149 for the 4 to 6 person size, offering a convenient and adaptable solution for outdoor cooking and entertaining. The NovaDome shelter is a unique, affordable, and long-lasting dome-shaped structure known for its durability and ease of assembly. Constructed from fiberglass composite panels, it can withstand harsh weather conditions, including up to 30 feet of snow and 180 miles per hour winds. A marvel of modern engineering and design, the interior of the NovaDome is highly customizable with hundreds of configuration options, making it adaptable for various uses, from luxury accommodation pods to concession stands. Often described as a blank canvas, the interior offers unlimited possibilities for creativity. Additionally, NovaDomes can be disassembled and transported to new locations. Prices start at around $2,515, making it a versatile and cost-effective solution for a range of applications. The Shoal Tent is a unique inflatable tent designed to float on water, functioning as a raft with a tent structure on top for an extraordinary camping experience. Imagine sleeping under the stars, gently rocked by the water on your personal floating campsite. The tent is entirely inflatable and requires no poles, making setup quick and easy. Built to withstand strong winds, it ensures a safe and comfortable night's rest. With a spacious 8x8 foot footprint and a maximum standing height of 6 feet 3 inches, the Shoal Tent can comfortably accommodate 3 to 4 people. Prices typically range from $1,499 to $1,999, offering a novel and adventurous way to enjoy the great outdoors. The Wildland Star Hub Tent is a portable pop-up shelter designed for outdoor activities like ice fishing and hunting. It is renowned for its quick and easy setup thanks to the robust hub mechanism developed by Wildland. This tent is ideal for group outings with friends or family, offering a pentagonal shape that comfortably accommodates 4 anglers. Featuring full thermal trap technology, it retains heat and reduces condensation, making it perfect for cold weather use. Built to withstand extreme weather conditions, the Wildland Star Hub Tent ensures a reliable and comfortable shelter. Prices typically start at $595, varying by retailer.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing.